my name is Sarvesh Patil and I am BCom graduate and pursuing MBA in Finance from SAS Institute Boisar, and now I am going to discuss the topic corporate valuation, merger and acquisition. Introduction to merger and acquisition. These are the objectives of the assignment: strategic synergy, economics of scale, market expansion, diversification, access to new technologies or expertise, financial gains, elimination of competition, and talent acquisition. After the objectives, here is the content in the presentation. So first introduction. Merger. What is merger and acquisition? Merger and acquisition are increasingly becoming strategic choice for organizational growth and achievement of business goals, including profit, empire building, market dominance, and long-term survival. The ultimate goal of this is, however, maximization of shareholder value. The phenomenon of rising M&A activity is observed world over across various continents, although it has commenced much earlier in developed countries and is relatively recent in developing countries. So, what is merger? Merger is the combination of two companies to form a new company. The combination of two companies involves a transfer of ownership. Both companies surrender their stock and issue new stock as a new company. Types of merger. So, horizontal merger. So first type of a merger is horizontal merger. So horizontal merger is a merger or business consolidation that occurs between firms that operate in some industry. Second, vertical merger. Vertical merger is a union between two companies in the same industry but at a different stage of the production process. Conglomerate merger. It refers to a merger between two firms which are carrying on business activities unrelated to each other. And then concentric merger. Concentric merger is a merger in which two companies from the same industry come together to offer an extended range of products or service to the customers. Service to customers. So what is acquisition? Uh, when one company take over another and clearly establish itself as a new owner, the purchase is called as acquisition. Here are the type of acquisition. So friendly acquisition. It is the acquisition. Friendly acquisition is the acquisition of a target company by an acquirer with the content. So, friendly acquisition is the acquisition of a target company by an acquirer with the consent or approval of the management and board of director of the target company. Second is reverse acquisition. It occurs when an entity that issues security is identified as the accounting acquirer, and accordingly the legal subsidiary is identified as the accounting acquirer. Third is black flip acquisition. A flip takeover is a rare type of takeover that occurs when an acquirer becomes a subsidiary of the company it purchased. And fourth is hostile acquisition. It is a type of acquisition where a company takes control of the another company without the approval or consent of the target company board of directors. Here is the conclusion of merger and acquisition. Learn from the mistake of others. Define your objective clearly. Acquire expertise to interpret changes. SWOT analysis for merged firm. Reflection, strategic alignment, due diligence, communication and culture, financial performance. And here is the reference from where I have collected this information. Thank you.